Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Garden, a complete knowledge workshop.
ମୋର ନମସ୍କାର ମୋର ସମସ୍ତ ଦର୍ଶକ ବନ୍ଧୁ ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ମୋର ନୂଆ ଭିଡିଓରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କରୁଛି। ଆଜିର ଏହି ଭିଡିଓରେ ଆପଣ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଜଣାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଯେ ଆମର ସାଧାରଣତଃ ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଂଲିଶ କହିଲେ ଭାରି ଭୟ କରନ୍ତି। ତେଣୁ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶର ଭୟଟାକୁ ଦୂର କରିବା। ସେ ଆମ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ମିଡିୟମର ଛୋଟ ପିଲାମାନେ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ କିମ୍ବା ଇଂଲିଶ ମିଡିୟମର ପିଲା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁକି କିମ୍ବା ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ଆମର ଯେଉଁମାନେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର କମ୍ପିଟେଟିଭ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବହୁତ ଭୟ କରନ୍ତି ଇଂରାଜୀ। ତେଣୁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଭାରି ଭାଷା ଭଳି ଲାଗେ, ଭାରି କଷ୍ଟ ହୁଏ। ତେଣୁ ଏଇ କଷ୍ଟଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ଦୂର କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁଲି ଏକ ସହଜ ଉପାୟରେ ଅତି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ କଥା ଗୁଡ଼ିକରୁ ନେଇ ଆମେ ପ୍ରାଞ୍ଜଳ ଭାବରେ ଉଭୟ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଏବଂ ଓଡ଼ିଆର ମିଶ୍ରଣରେ ପାଠଟିକୁ ବୁଝିବା, ଇଂରାଜୀକୁ ସହଜରେ ଶିଖିବା। ଯାହାଫଳରେ ଏଥିରେ ଆମେ ଖାଲି ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶିଖିବାନି, ତା ସହିତ ଇଂରାଜୀ କହିବା ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁ ଇଂରାଜୀ ବ୍ୟାକରଣ ବା ଗ୍ରାମର, ଇଂଲିଶ ଗ୍ରାମାର ଯୋଉଗୁଡାକ ଆମର ସାଧାରଣତଃ ଭୁଲ ହଉଛି ତ ସେଗୁଡିକ ସହଜରେ ଠିକ ହେଇପାରିବ। ତ ନୂଆ ପିଲା ଇଂରାଜୀ ବ୍ୟାକରଣ ବା ଇଂଲିଶ ଗ୍ରାମାର ସହିତ ତ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେସନ ଏବଂ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ସେମାନେ ଇଂରାଜୀ କହି ଶିଖିଯିବେ ମଧ୍ୟ। ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ମୋର ଭିଡିଓ ବନେଇବାର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟ ଏବଂ ଏଥିସହିତ ମୋର ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଭିଡିଓକୁ କାହିଁକି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ନା या द्वारा कौन हम ना जो जो क्लास गुड़ाक आगु नेबी तो आपण मैंने जिते वीडियो गुड़ी को देखी देखिकी ना जीवे ता द्वारा कौन हम आपण मानकर प्रांजल भाव विषय गुड़ाक संपूर्ण भाव क्लीयर हो आपन को बहुत सहज लगे, सुविधा लगे। तो एथिरे आमे और अन्य खाली पढ़ीबानी सहित प्रैक्टिस किछि करिबा। English and in Odia. In English, we have two kind of sounds. One is vowels, another is consonant. In Odia, वर्ण, स्वर वर्ण एवं व्यंजन वर्ण। In English, there are vowel sounds and consonant sounds. ओडिया रे स्वर ध्वनि एवं व्यंजन ध्वनि। So which are the vowels? Vowels के English रे A, E, I, O, U. कॉन्सोनेंट बाकी अन्य गुड़ाक जी रही से हेले कॉन्सोनेंट अदर्स आर P, Q, J, L ये गुड़ाक कॉन्सोनेंट। दीज आर P, K, दीज आर कॉन्सोनेंट। स्वर शब्द ओडिया रे स्वर ध्वनि अ ठारू औ पर्यंत, अ ठारू औ पर्यंत एवं व्यंजन रे अन्यान्य क, ख, ग अन्यान्य से गुड़ाक आसला व्यंजन स्वर। सो टेकिंग ऑन दिस भावेल्स एंड कॉन्सोनेंट स्वर एवं व्यंजन को नहीं आमे शब्द गढ़ू, शब्द व ध्वनि रु आमे विभिन्न प्रकार वाक्य गठन करता। सो मेनी सेंटेंसेस कैन बी फॉर्म्ड थ्रू different kinds of sound that comes from our mouth. So these sounds comes from a source. Suppose I am saying coconut. I am saying coconut. So coconut sound is coming from my mouth, and here we know that it is saying about the coconut. तो किछि शब्द हम पाटरू बाहर किछि ध्वनि बाहर ए ध्वनि और शब्द को नहीं कि हमें कौन तैयारी करू word तैयारी करू we form various kinds of word. So what is a word? A word is a combination or group of letters having a complete sense or meaning of a particular language. गोटे निर्दिष्ट भाषा रे किछि स्वर वर्ण हो किंबा व्यंजन वर्ण हो तार एकाठी एकत्रीकरण कला पर जदि आम गोटे निर्दिष्ट अर्थ पाउथिबा ताको आमे कहबा शब्द बा पद बोली कहबा. So word is a combination or group of letters having a complete sense or meaning. If it will not have any kind of sense or meaning, no doubt we take different kinds of letters, it will not form a word. ध्वनि को नहीं कि हमें शब्द गढ़ बा पद गढ़ जार निर्दिष्ट अर्थ रहे जदि अर्थ न रहिबो ताले ताकू हमें गोटे पद भाषा रे बुझी हेबो नै से पद ताकू हमें पदवाच्य देबा नै बा शब्दवाच्य देबा नै. We can take different kinds of letter to form anything and if it will have no meaning, so that will not considered as a word. So sound makes a word. So for example, I am writing here letter. So this is consonant sound L, E vowel sound, consonant E vowel, R consonant sound. So this combination of sounds, this gives us the word letter and it has a meaning. Suppose I write R, T, E, T, E. These are combination of letters but it has no meaning. These things, these letters cannot make a complete sense or meaning, so it is not a word. तो एको हमें गोटे वर्ड कहि परिबानी काहे कि ना एथिरे किछि अर्थ प्रकाश करनी आर टी ई यार किछि अर्थ ही हमको मिलला नाही. सो वी हैव नाउ ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड व्हाट इज वर्ड शब्द बा पद काकू कहंती केमिति तयारी होय हमें जानिले. नाउ कम टू द सेंटेंस. व्हाट इज ए सेंटेंस? ए सेंटेंस इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स having a complete meaning or sense. वाक्य किछि पद बा शब्द मानकर समाहार जार एक निर्दिष्ट अर्थ रही बा तात्पर्य रही. जदि हमें विभिन्न प्रकार शब्द को नहीं किछि चेष्टा करबा एकाठी करबा पई ता एक संपूर्ण अर्थ प्रकाश करि न पारे किंबा तार कोनोसी तात्पर्य मध्य रही न पारे. सपोज वी टेक मेनी वर्ड्स बट दे मे नॉट गिव अस ए पर्टिकुलर सेंस और पर्टिकुलर मीनिंग. सो लेट्स गो टू द एग्जांपल हियर. आस्क, प्ले, नेवर. सो आस्क हैज इट्स ओन मीनिंग, play has its own meaning, never, they all have their respective meanings. But we combined here ask, play, never. So is it a sentence or the group of words, are they signifies a particular meaning? No. It has also no sense. We are not getting anything from this ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. हमें जो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड देखिले तो एठी हमें कोनोसी निर्दिष्ट अर्थ हमें पाऊ नहीं ए सेंटेंस रे. सो जो सेंटेंस जे हमें को कहबे एथरे हमें पाऊ नहीं. सो इट इज नॉट ए सेंटेंस. सो व्हाट इज ए सेंटेंस? व्हेन द ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स having a complete sense and meaning, both it needs meaning and it has also needs sense. So here she is reading a newspaper. She is reading a newspaper. She is reading a newspaper. All respective words have their particular meaning and sense also, and when we combine all these words, it is giving a complete sense or meaning. So here it is a sentence. तो यही सेंटेंस रे कौन है ना सी गोटे इज गोटे रीडिंग ए न्यूज़पेपर गुडा गोटे गोटे वर्ड सब गुडाक तो सब गुडाक वर्ड जते आम एकाठी कले इठी हमको गोटे निर्दिष्ट अर्थ प्रकाश हबार जनागला जे से न्यूज़पेपर टी पढ़ुछंती कारण एटी निर्दिष्ट अर्थ आसला मीनिंग आसला सो इट इज अ सेंटेंस बट हियर these no doubt these are combination of words but they don't have any kind of meaning or complete sense so this is not the sentence but here all these words are giving us a complete sense and meaning so it is a sentence. Let's have an example. So these are the some words carrying is he basket A. So here these are various words. So we will arrange to form a sentence. How? He is carrying a then basket. So, carrying is he basket a all these are various kinds of words. I am arranging he then is then carrying then a then basket. So here it signifies a complete meaning. But if I say this carrying is he basket a it is not signifying any kind of sense or meaning. But this sentence he is carrying a basket this is a sentence तो एठी कौन हला जो carrying is he basket a जो वर्ड गुडा कहला याकु नै कि हमें हां किछि अर्थ पाउने carrying is he basket a और अर्थ किछि नै और हमें माने किछि बुझी पारुने किंतु जेतबे हमें ताको ठीक ठीक हिसाब रे हमें उपस्थापित कले he is carrying a basket ताले एठी आरो गोटे अर्थ बाहरला सेंस बाहरला तेणु एटा गोटे हमें सेंटेंस बोली कहबा ओके लेट्स हैव द प्रैक्टिस अरेंज द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स इनटू मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस So let's do the answer. Here domestic is cow animal A. We will arrange what a cow is a domestic animal. Answer a cow is a domestic animal. B. Headmaster classes visits the often the. The headmaster often visits the classes. Has not the completed Sarita yet exercise? Sarita hasn't completed exercises yet. Completed the exercise. The is here. The exercise yet. Last one, never regularly cold drinks take. Never takes cold drinks regularly. So this is all about our practice session. Thank you. Different forms of sentences. Which are different forms of sentences? These are positive or affirmative sentences and negative sentences. So those sentences having the words like no, not, never, nobody, nothing, none, no one, etc. are negative sentences. And on those sentences, these no, not, never, we can find these are affirmative sentences. So, in affirmative sentence, we don't use these kinds of words. So, what is the affirmative sentence? For example, Raman is playing. Here, there is no, not, never, none, nobody, nothing. But if we say Sambit will not coming with me, coming with me. So here not is present in this sentence, so this is a negative sentence, and here Raman is playing, there is no not, so this is a positive sentence or affirmative sentence. Let us take other examples. I have never seen such a person like him. So here never. So it is a negative sentence. None of us will go to your party. Here none. So all these are negative sentences. Suppose another example of positive sentence. I have gone to Kolkata. So here no, never, not, anything is here. So it is a positive sentence or affirmative sentence. So let's practice. Put tick mark for positive sentence and cross mark for negative sentence. जोटा पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस सेठी टिक मार्क दियो, जोटी नेगेटिव सेंटेंस सेठी क्रॉस मार्क दियो. ठीक अच्छी बर्तमान देखो. नाउ कम टू द आंसर. द डॉक्टर एग्जामिन्स द सिक्स. इज देयर एनी नो और नॉट? नो, देयर इज नो नो और नॉट. एठी ए सेंटेंस रे नो नहीं किमा नॉट नहीं. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस, दिस इज ए पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस. सो वी विल पुट टिक. एटा होचे ओटे पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस काहे ना एठी नो और नॉट नहीं. No, he will not attend the party. It is no be achi, not be achi. So here no and not both are available. So it is a negative sentence. Put cross. So please don't come tomorrow. So don't. It is also not so it is a negative sentence ତେଣୁ ଏଟା ବି ଗୋଟେ negative sentence ଯେତେଟି don't ଅଛି not ଆସୁଛି ତ ଏଟା ପ୍ରଶ୍ନାର୍ଥ I have attended the marriage. Is there any no or not? No. In this sentence there is no or not. एठी ए sentence रे no or not नहीं. So it is a negative. It is not a negative sentence. Is it a positive sentence or affirmative sentence? He is no more interested to swim. So in this sentence no is here. So it is a negative sentence. He is no more interested to swim. It is a negative sentence. କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଠି no ଅଛି. Okay. So thanks all. Today I have completed about the chapter sentence. In this chapter we have discussed the letters, sound, word, sentence, and in forms of sentence what is the positive sentence and what is a negative sentence. So I think today's class must be valuable for us and you must have learned something. It is bilingual. I have made it bilingual because of your clear understanding. And I think this class will help you a lot.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.